Okay, this is Synergy Steak's mechanism on how to make chain for our saws. You have a roll of the steel chain on this side that, of course, pivots and rotates as you unwind it. As you pull down to the other end, which is precisely the same length, you'll notice that it has it going into the groove that keeps it in place. And as it's pulled back on up here, I'm going to wrap it around that groove and measure the length of the chain. As you can see, I'm lining it up after I've pulled it out and it's stretched to about the full length it can stretch. And I'm able to determine that that link right there is the one that I'm going to be cutting out. As you can see, I've got a mark on it right there, and I'm going to be removing the top rivet. Get the chain lined up underneath the punch and with the proper tool. And if the first side doesn't work well or starts to bend, go to the second side, line up on it. You can pop it out and you'll be able to get it out of there. Once it's popped off or the top cap's popped off, this easily breaks free and drops out. Keeping both ends of these chain, use a new link, come in from the back side, come in from the front side, and then be sure to orient this link. You see how it's got a flat top? Towards the top in those grooves, and there's grooves on either side of this. Place this so that the screw is pushing in the center of it, so that it's very centered, and that nut or that is pushing against this rivet. And I'm going to turn this other one and you'll see the difference here in just a second. All right, so at this point, I've got this screwed in. I'm going to put a drop of oil, doesn't matter what, on there. These are in the outer guides. And now I'm going to turn this. While I turn this in, you'll notice it twists a little bit, no big deal. Keep turning this. Turn it much tighter. Keep going continuously until it's extremely tight, and you'll get used to exactly when it's going to show a perfect mushroom. You notice I'm turning. It's very easy to turn, and I've set it up so I know that it's about this far down. Okay. All right, I've unscrewed it, and I'm going to move it just slightly over to the other hole. Line it up just like I showed you before, where it's in line. Put a drop more oil on, literally a drop. Snug it up, and start the same process over. I keep tightening it, and keep turning at the same time. And you'll feel the difference. You'll feel it starting to tighten up. And you'll know you've done it correctly when you remove it, you look at it, and the heads are nicely polished. And I'm coming to release it and get a nice close-up of that. And you see how they're nicely polished and they're flattened. And that completes the entire process for this.